Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Listen, you know, there again once more. Man, and the respect to each and everyone. Yeah, people, you see, whenever a person shows signs or basically say some words that indicates that they don't want a person inside of a house or a place, sometimes we find in kind of situation they embarrassing. You know what I mean? Here I'm going to present a video to you, and in this video you can hear a certain number of persons saying some words. In my point of view, there was some type of argument and or confrontation between a certain amount of persons who can hear talking in the video. But a part of the video, I'm wondering if someone did something that is bad, and I soon tell you what I think that I consider to be bad based on what I see in the video. But wonder, I'm not saying it happened, I wonder. But let's take a look at the video and then we'll talk some more. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people.
I don't want nothing here. I don't want nobody spending money in my house.
Remember, people don't spend.
I don't want nobody spending money in my house. Money, let it go.
Why don't do it already?
I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody spending money in my house. I don't want nobody spending money in my yard. I don't want nobody spending money in my house. Leave my house and go and get your son.
Go from here and girl, when you talking, don't fall up at me.
Come beat me up, yeah, beat me up, beat me up.
I'm not doing nothing.
Hit me, son. Come and hit me, son, Springer. Look your house up the road. Look your house up the road, son.
Mama, it's nonsense. Where they come and hit before?
This is my house. This is my own. I work hard for this.
People.
What you feel like just moving here? Huh? Show your house up the road. Look your house up the road. Why you come here for? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care about nobody. Yeah. Where everybody was. I don't care.
Everybody laughing, mommy. Stop it.
Let son come out of my house.
I want you to stop it.
Let son come out of my house. Son coming out of my yard.
Nobody don't like it.
Son coming out of my house. Leave Marlon alone.
Like nonsense.
Leave Marlon alone.
Everybody why you take no longer than no do that.
Move on.
You want me going to message or what? You want me going to message or?
Yeah.
Question. You want to
You see what I talk about this for people? That part there, when we see the movement so like something, me I wonder what happened there so. Me don't want to jump to a conclusion. But me I wonder if something bad happened there so based on when me see other part there the video right there so. And then the video just stop right there so. What kind of move that? No sir. Well, let me point out this. So me I say, I'm not confirming anything, but let me point out this. See? Me believe in freedom of speech. But when it comes down to the whole violent act and them things that no, none of that. I do not believe in no form of violent act, none at all. But people, tell me what you think I'm right there so. Especially in the last part of the video me attack. See, obviously there was an argument and or confrontation between a certain amount of persons who can you talking in the video. It's like one person make it clearly known or one person make it very clear that the person don't want at least one person in a certain place or a house. You understand? And then certain things happen. That's it that way. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now the next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. See? And I got the understanding from the video that those motor vehicles collided together right in the presence of police. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. I do got the understanding that persons who was inside of a motor vehicle had been approached by police And it seems as if police was conducting some type of search. You understand me? And then at some point, those two motor vehicles collided right in the presence of police. Other persons was there, as my somewhat explained. See me? But my people, I want you to look at this video, look at the situation carefully, and tell me, who do you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to the collision between those two motor vehicles that was each being operated by someone, which is obvious. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Alright, so look right here, some people. Clearly, you can see the police motor vehicle, you know, just look what go on. See, look like a motor vehicle door open there, so someone get out there, so you see that, right? Look at certain things what go on. Notice how certain persons had been positioned and so forth. Look what go on. See, then at some point, you know, two motor vehicles collided with each other. Look at how those persons are positioned. See someone else, look, just look. Oh, what's that? Look still, look how on. Alright. Watch this. So one motor vehicle passed there, so see another motor vehicle passed there. Take notice at this now, my people. Look at this part here now. Just take notice. See more motor vehicles passed there. Who wrong when it comes down to that situation there, my people? Eh? Who wrong when it comes down to that type of situation? See, meet me in the comment section and tell me who you think wrong, you know? Yeah, tell me who you think wrong with people when it comes down to that situation they cause. Now tell you, hey, look away. Hold on. Let me see what will happen here, so now. Hold on. You know what kind of hurry so? No, sir. Well, I know people, just take time with me, I said, because if I really look at the situation, I would say, I have my opinion as who me think wrong when it comes down to the situation. But, Jano, what? Right in the presence of police. Oh my. My. OMG. Alright, here what me I say now, my people. See, being as how this make a video reach to a certain point. So let me say what me I say. In my point of view, me say more than one faults when it comes on to that whole situation. See me I say, no. We know so when police are do them work, you know, police are do them work, and you know, so police work can be dangerous. So sometimes when a police are do them work, it's like them have to think about them safety more than anything else. But me see a little fault there, so based on where the motor vehicle, me talk about the police motor vehicle did there at that location, but at the same time, as me say, when it comes down to police work, you know, police sometimes them have to think about their safety when they do certain things. So you may never know what they might do or might have to do. Alright, so me see a fault less about me try and understand that. See? The next fault what we see is the speed of at least one motor vehicle that was involved in the incident. You see me I say, whosoever that operate at least one of those motor vehicles was moving at a speed where I don't think it was okay for someone to be moving at that speed while seeing the amount of motor vehicles that was within that area. You understand? See? Yeah, one of the motor vehicles them, me not go say both, me say one, at least one of the person who would operate the motor vehicle. Motor vehicle, I should say. See? Because the speed, man, that speed there. See? Now, overall, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about no injury or anything like that. So me I say, based on what me seen in the video still, you know, the situation bad, but yeah, you know, we just hope for the best. But my people, what do you think about that situation there? Who you think was right from who you think was wrong? Tell me any faults or fault that you might have seen in that video and let me know. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. When I take a look at this video right here, it's not really a long video. No, this video is not really a long video, but the video shows when a person at one point was someone holding a person who was down to the ground, and that person who was down to the ground was wearing a type of clothing that looks like a type of uniform. And it made me wonder what that situation was about. Now, it seems as if the person hold on the person and somewhat move away from the person. You know, like when someone try to get away from someone, I saw the situation. Look, the video is not really a long video, but look at this video and tell me what you think about this type of situation, because the video is being talked about on social media. And if that person is wearing a uniform of what I think and also assume, then OMG. But you be the judge, you can tell me what you think based on what you're about to see in this video. Oh, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Look there, see that? Look there. See? It's not really a long video. That's what we see. So what happened there, so? You know, the person without shirt, the person who now wearing a shirt, you know, did certain things like the person hold on the person for a little bit in order to get away from the person and move away from the person. What was going on? Alright, my people, so on another topic now, I got information about a very bad and serious situation. Oh, and I want to say big up and respect to all of my viewers and subscribers worldwide. So I got information about a situation where it said that a police constable or a police official had been shot and killed, and other police officers had been shot and injured during a situation. Based on some information put out there, the word ambush had been mentioned, no viewers and subscribers. See, yeah, I read some words from a post that have been made on a South African police service social media page, viewers and subscribers. And let me read some of the words from the post that I saw, my people, because on a real, this real and true set away. So the post has words in it that says, the SAPS management has launched a manhunt for suspects who shot and killed a police constable and left other police officials injured during a business robbery that missing. Anyways, it's a business robbery in the early hours of today, 15 July 2024 at MBI ZANA Main Road. The same post that I saw said the incident took place at a filling station at MBI ZANA CBD when the 35-year-old constable and other police officials were driving from a crime scene in 3 different police vehicles. According to the information, the report suggests that police members were from a crime scene at EZITYATYANENI locality outside MBI ZANA when they were ambushed by, I think this is a plus this one. Alright, I left out the part there and just says suspects next to the filling station, the suspects then fired shots at the police officials that were in these vehicles and fatally wounded a constable while other police officials were injured. You hear that? So that post, or those words when we read from that post, had been posted on a social media page for the South African Police Service. You understand me? Yeah, that plus and so me I wonder what this really actually. I think me see a little thing in between the plus and the 20 right there. So that's why I kind of left out that still. That's what I'm my people, but I don't really know. You know, the reason why I talk about this is because it is being talked about on social media, you know, and how bad the situation be. You understand? You hear what the post said, basically said that about 3 police vehicle and your word ambush had been mentioned and so forth. It's a bad situation. Anyways, so let me know what I think about everything that I talk about in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. You know, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla.